We welcome you all back again to our JapLang Language Services YouTube channel. Hope everyone had a great Diwali last week. Today, this is the part 4 video where we are going to talk about the last 16 alphabets out of 46 Hiragana basic characters with stroke order. And also we'll be revising from beginning to the end, from that is A, E, U, A till the end of the alphabets. Alright, so today, as you can see, so we will be learning from Ma, Mi, Mu, Me, Mo, Ya, Yu, Yo, Ra, Ri, Ru, Re, Ro, Wa, O and So we will be learning about the M group.
Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Ya, yu, yo.
So let's start.
Ya,
This is
yu, yo.
Doctor will be learning another 16 new alphabets. We'll start with Ma, Mi, Mu, Me, Mo. In Japanese we say like this.
Ma, mi, mu, me, mo.
Okay. So this is Ma. How you write this Ma? So a baby cries mama. You can see look at the picture given on the top right hand side. And the sound is Ma, Ma. You write like this. It has got 3 stroke order. First is in red, second is in blue, and third is in green color. You can pause the video and you can practice by your hand on a sheet of paper. Ma, you can say Ma, Me, Ma, Ki, or Mari is translated to Mari. Next character is Me. Me, I am 21. It sounds like no me or mean. Look at the picture. Me. It has only 2 stroke order. The first is in red and second is in blue. Again, you can pause the video and then practice on a sheet of paper. Me stands for Mikan, that is orange. And Mimi, your ear. This is Moo. The cow says Moo. Look at the picture. And Moo. You can sound as moon. How we write this? 3 stroke order. Please pause the video and practice on a sheet of paper. Moo as mushi, insect, and jamu. Jamu, right? So it's moo. Jam. We have fruit jam, right? So we put on the bread and then we eat. Next character is Me. Me is Japanese for I. We also call it Me as I in Japanese. Me sounds as men. It has only 2 stroke order, red and blue. Please pause the video. Me as Megane is your spectacles. Or Meiwaku, when you bother someone and someone is having some issues by your action, that's called Meiwaku, troublesome. Last character of this Ma group is Mo. Catch more fish with this Mo. It's like look like anchor. Mo is Mocha. It has 3 stroke order, red, blue and green. Momo. Mon is gate. Now it's a quiz time. Let's have a quiz. Whatever we learned so far. This is Me. Ma. Mu. Mo. Ma. Mo. Mu. Me. Me. Okay. Now you need to tell me where is Me here. Me is. Alright, that's on left hand side, middle row. Alright, this is the me. Now let's go for, where's a me here? Me. Me is left hand side, top. Alright. Now please let me know where is mo here. Alright, that's in center. Great. Okay, next is, where's ma here? Ma. So the bottom, right hand side, bottom. Okay, where's mu here? Mu. Mu is right hand side, top corner, right? This is mu. Alright. Okay, so we can just pronounce this. What is this? This is ma, mamu. Alright. This is me, mo. Okay. This is mo, me. Me, ma. Me, mu. Mu, ma. Alright, can you just let me know where is Mimu written here? Mimu. Just try finding out Mimu. Yes, that's left hand side. And the second row. This is Mimu. Alright, now can you tell me where is Mamo? Mamo written here. Yeah, right hand side, top corner. Alright, now can you let me know where is Mimi? Mimi is top left hand side. Great. And where is Mumo? Can you just find out where is Mumo? Yes. Right hand side, below. Yeah, this is Mumo. Alright, now let's review from Adan to Mo. Let's review all those things. This is Ma. Okay, this is Fu. This is Mo. This is Ma. This is Ho. Mi. Ne. Me. Fu. Ne. Tsu. Ni. To. Mu. Na. He. Te. Na. No. Mo. Ha. He. Chi. Tsu. Nu. Hi. Ta. Ho. Ni. Ta. No. Mu. Chi. Nu. Ha. Te. To. Me. Hi. This is Mimi, ears. Mo, peach. Me, eyes. Mushi, insects. Ima is now. Mae is name. Kaimono, which we all like. Kaimono is shopping. Kumo is cloud. Hanami is flower viewing, flower watching. Atama is head. Na is 7, number 7. Kisetsu is season. Okane is money. Alright, thank you so much. Now we move to next group. We will be learning next 3, that is ya, you, yo.
Ya, you,
Ya,
yo.
how we say yak or yard, it's sound number 36. Yeah, it has got 3-stroke order. please pause the video and practice on a sheet of paper. Ya is yakan, kettle, and yane is roof. Next is you, trying to make U-turn, or you as you, no, how are you, like that. You has got 2-stroke order. Yume is your dream, Yuki is snow. And next is yo. Alright, this is yo. It has 2-stroke order. Yonaka is midnight, and yotto, that's alright. So we learn next 5 characters, that is ra, ri, ru, re, ro.
La, ri, ru, re, ro.
Alright. We'll try to remember all those things and also practice whatever we have learned so far. Alright. So ra is ramen, 2-stroke order. Rayon is lion, and rando seru. Next character is re, reals or real, 2-stroke order. Ringo, re stands for Ringo, that is apple, and risu. Next is ru, 3 rubies, or rude. Ru as rude, it has only 1-stroke order. Ru is written as 1 stroke starting from the top to left. Alright. Hotaru or Komaru. Komaru, when you are in the trouble, you say Komatane, like that. Next is Re. Re as rain and lightning, and Re as red. Re, it has got 2-stroke order. Re as rencon or terebi. Terebi. Last character of this group is Ro. 3 rubies rolled away. Ro as rope, 1-stroke order. Ro as rosuku, candle, and Doro is highway. Right? And now we learn the last 3 characters, that is wa, o, and n. There is wa. Wa is water, 2-stroke order. Is wani. Yeah, we say crocodile, wani, as we have. And washoku is Japanese food. O. So O is actually pronounced as O, same as O like before, but it's different uses. O. The cowboy said wow, so that is wow. Yeah, so please be careful, pay attention, saying like, no, it's not I-U-A-O, that's a different O. O is a particle, we'll be using this, we'll be learning when we start a chapter. And it has got 3-stroke order. Teofuru, when you shake your hand, we say Teofuru. Hono yomu, O particle. So you can see that we are just putting O in between before the verb. Object O plus verb. Hono yomi, read the book. And last character of this hiragana, basic hiragana, is Say sounds hon, like no. And it has got only 1-stroke order, like funka or gun. Now quiz time. This is O. This is n. This is wa. This is n again. This is O. Now can you tell me which is wa here? Yes. Alright. Right corner bottom. Where is n here? The one at the bottom. Alright. Okay, and now can you tell me where is O here? Yes, at the bottom. Okay, let's review from our group till whatever we have learned, all the 46 characters. You know what we learned? I, U, A, O, it was like that. Then we learned Kaki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Then we learned Sha, Shi, Su, Se, So. ta, chi, su, te, to, na, ni, nu, ne, no, ha, hi, fu, he, ho, ma, mi, mu, me, mo, ya, you and yo, ra, ri, ru, re, ro, wa, o, This is right? This is n. So we call it We just read that is We don't say n. Right? So please be careful. This is only Alright. Okay. We move to next. This is na, wa, nu, ri, re, ra, ru, ma, fu, mo, ma, ho, mi, ne, ya, ne, re, hu, ne, yo, ni, mu, na, ya, he, wa, no, ri, mo, ha, he, ru, o, he, u. It's no u is there, no u, ho, ro, ni, ra, mu, nu, ha, me, yo, no, he, o. This would be ni, wa. Ni, wa is garden. Yes, you will be using this word many times when you are learning Japanese. Is wa, ta, and shi. Wa, ta, shi. That is I or me. Wa, ni is crocodile. O, na, onna is woman. Ren, kon, re, ko, ren, kon, the root of the lotus. Ta, ku, sa, taksan is many. Ra, I, ne, rainen is next year. And now you would be able to read this. This is o, wa, ri, ma, su.